Alrighty, I'm going to take you through our Diamantopoulos CP Pre-AP Chemistry class. Here's the team. This first channel right here is the general channel. We have posts, that's the first thing you're going to find. I have our weekly agenda. On Monday today, we're going to go over the procedures and some culture stuff. And you can get a hold of me in the afternoon. Tuesday, we'll talk about how to access the videos, and again, get me a hold of me in the afternoon, Monday through Friday. I figure Monday through Thursday, we both probably need a break on Friday. Tuesday and Thursday, I want you to watch the videos and go through what you can. Wednesday and Friday, I want to say for us to be live, and we can talk about anything that was confusing. Friday, I want us to turn the exit ticket, and Saturday, anything else that you worked on. And you can turn those in over here where it says assignments. We're going to click on assignments. And so we have our intro to heat exit ticket, reaction coordinate diagram exit ticket, and weekly uploads. So it's weekly uploads. Student view. And so once you upload any photos or files that you work on, you can either, if you do it in Word or something on a tablet, you can turn it in that way. If you want to write it down on paper, you can print out the files, or if you don't have a printer, you can do it on a separate sheet of paper. But if you do it on a separate sheet of paper, try to keep it organized like this. So we have the definitions that you would fill in here. This is the table that you're going to see in the practice, and so on and so forth. So our grades will come in where it says grades. And anything live that we're going to do, if we do a live lecture, if we talk about things doing live, I'll file them here in our general channel with the date. So let's go to the first topic. This one's Intro to Energy. We go to Post. I'll have an announcement. Announcement has all of our key terms that you need to understand and our objectives of things that you should be able to do. And hey, look, there's a link to the assignments page. When you're done, you can just go and click and then do the intro to heat exit ticket. So our notes, I have them both. Teams offers an option to put them in OneNote, so I have them here, but if OneNote isn't working so well on whatever you're using, I also have them in Word. If you're on your phone, you can upload that into Google Docs or whatever else you want to use. We have slides over here. This is our PowerPoint slides. You can scroll through them, access any of the links that are there, or copy and paste them. We have the lecture part one, and so this is a YouTube video. If it's giving you problems within Teams, you can copy the link and go to YouTube to watch it. And this particular one has a lecture part two also. I want to keep the videos under 10 minutes so that it doesn't give you any streaming issues. And so if we go back to the notes, this is just like the notes we did before, where you just fill them in as you go through the slides, and then at the very end, here's the practice we talk about, and you'll just upload either a picture or a document or whatever it is that you put this on to the assignment, and I'll grade it that way. The second one for the week, our reaction coordinate diagram, is going to be exactly the same. We have our announcement that has a topic. We have our key terms, things that you should be able to do afterwards, and the link to the assignments page. Hey, look, there's the notes again. Here's the notes in Word. Here's our slides. And here's a video of me talking about the slides. And if you, during office hours, if you want to chat with me, you can go over here to chat. Hey, look, Miss Bora messaged me in chat. If you want to video chat, you can hit this camera icon right here. If you just want to voice chat because you're shy, that's perfectly fine. You can voice chat right here. And we can screen share with this button right here. Our calendar is over here. And this is where we'll find all of our meeting times and you'll get announcements of when we'll be live. It'll be in the calendar. I'll send you a notification. Any assignments, you can also click on the assignments tab and then go to your class. Since we're in chemistry, we'll go here. And they show up again over here if you don't want to go through the general channel. I think that's it for now. We'll make another video if you have any more questions.